Mission station on Space to Ground.
Special delivery for the International Space Station. Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Dan Hewitt. An eventful week in space kicked off on Sunday with a launch from cloudy Florida. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket lifted off and sent Dragon towards the station on its 10th commercial resupply mission. The spacecraft, packed with about 5,500 pounds of science and supplies, aborted its first rendezvous attempt on Wednesday, but was successful the second time around on Thursday. Astronauts Thomas Pesquet and Shane Kimbrough used the station's robotic arm to grapple the vehicle before Mission Control took over and attached Dragon to the Harmony module. Dragon delivered literally tons of cool science and technology payloads that we'll be sure to highlight in the weeks to come. And launching from snowy Kazakhstan, a Russian Progress resupply craft also made the trip to space. Packed with more than 3 tons of food, fuel, and supplies for the Expedition 50 crew, Progress 66 launched on a frigid Wednesday morning in Kazakhstan. The spacecraft executed a 2-day chase of the space station, ultimately docking on Friday morning. It's scheduled to remain attached to station until June, when it will depart packed with trash and other disposable items and burn up in Earth's atmosphere. Our viewer question this week comes from Jack Polsine in Mr. Telstrom's 4th grade class at Sunrise Elementary. Jack wanted to know if the astronauts can feel that the station is moving. During certain maneuvers, they sure can. The station regularly performs what is called a reboost, firing engines on a docked vehicle or the station itself to raise its altitude. When this happens, the astronauts can feel the station accelerating, much like you feel it when a car accelerates or a plane takes off. Sometimes they'll do mini demonstrations with objects or even themselves to show how the station is moving around them. Keep sending your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.